welcome back to the fabulous 95, and today we are going to be taking a look at the 2021 2-pack of Dusty Rusteze and Rusty Rusteze. This is the new art, which, I don't know why they now put the metal. I'm guessing some idiot bought it and then realized, hey, these aren't freaking metal. Well, hey, these are freaking metal. They should really tell somebody that. But, you know how it goes. On the back, they now group them as what movie they were in, which as seen in only... I mean, I get what they were doing here. They had to do one for every series, but they could have put him in the Cars 3 series. Unless... Oh, wait a minute. Never mind, I guess they filled that. Or they could have done, you know, a Rusty's Petty team. That would have been fun or cool, but anyway. You see them both on the back. Now, let's get these guys unboxed. Now let's get into the review. Now, these guys are honestly some of my favorite cars that I've ever gotten in my collection. Now, I could have gotten them a long time ago, but I just never did, which I regret. These two just always just made me smile. Oh, that's clever. On the license plate, they spell, one of them has Rust and the other one has E. That's creative. Anyway, let's start with Rusty. Wait, Dusty? Dusty. So, he is a Dodge truck, as you can see from the Dodge logo. Now, it's just very interesting. Green color, kind of a little worse for the wear. And, yeah, it's just really cool. Now, we got Rusty Rusteze, which, this is actually kind of cool. He apparently is a convertible, and the way he looks like this is because his roof is started to, like, tear. That's why, like, that's his convertible roof that's tearing. He is the only one of the ones that actually have a plastic window. The other ones are painted. The back, you see the rust on the, license plate. Like I said before, this one has rust, the other one has ease. The other side is basically the same. Now, I do want to mention that these guys, I understand why they had to sell the company at the end of Cars 3 to make Lightning's chances of winning better, but they really could have kept it because McQueen was doing fine. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. These two will technically both be in Smashville Saga, I think it's 7. I've been doing this for too long, honestly. Smashville Saga 7, which will be a very, very, very fun one, because you are going to see a lot of, if you're a real life NASCAR fan like I am, you're going to see a lot of racing, and you might even notice some of the scenes I actually took from previous NASCAR races. Well, not like from one race, but you'll see some scenes that may remind you of a crash that you've seen, or just a certain, like, move, or a pit stop. But thanks for watching. Like I said before, I get sidetracked easily. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. We hit 700, and now we're starting off 2021 strong. If we can hit 1,000 by the end of the year, that's the end-all goal. Hit 1,000, and it's just hard to believe that I'm almost hitting that many subscribers, because it's just amazing. You guys are the best. And I'll see you guys next time.